gorgeous. Don't forget to tell that to yourself, ladies. You are beautiful. Excuse me? Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I am Jenna. Let me tell you something. I know you're looking at my hair because I am as well looking at my hair. This is what happened last week. Yes. So if you want to see the entire how I achieved this, like want to see the entire details, either click the link here or check out the link below. I am about to separate this now because I need to separate it. I want to tie it up in a sort of way. So I go ahead and put on my African wrapping clothing. Yeah. What we're gonna need for this hairstyle to separate this, we're gonna need, I'm gonna put in later some cute, nice green earrings. I think they're gonna fit well to this clothing. Then I need a piece of this, which I'm gonna use to wrap my hair later, like some bobby pins, separation comb, and that's all, and yourself as well. So let's get in, separate this hair together, and then we can tie it up. Let's start. First, gonna just separate it like in half. I'm not going to use any oil at all. While I was taking it down, I was like too nervous and couldn't wait, so I just like take everything very fast down. But now I'm definitely gonna take my time. Don't mind me always now looking down because I have my mirror down there, so I can actually separate it well. I think I just messed this one up. Yeah, I just messed it up. It's okay, I'm doing it the first time. I'm gonna learn to it. How have you guys been? What have you been up to? I didn't even tell you why I straightened. I wanted to, I messed this one up as well. Oh god. I wanted to like try something new to straighten up my hair without using heat. That's why I end up using those CURLFORMERS. So if you want to see what to actually use to achieve these, I wanted to stretch my hair in sort of way without using heat, and then like rocking this hairstyle for at least next 3-4 days, and after that, while the hair is of course still stretched, going ahead with like putting it in cornrows, because then I will be going back to work, and on top of that cornrows, that I can just put my wig on or just go with cornrows, you know. This is how it looked like after like separating it just one time. I mean, I did mess some up, but it still looked pretty good. I think I'm supposed to do this. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to do that. Oh, look at me, you know, doing something the first time and not knowing how it goes, but it's okay. It's a journey, right? We'll learn out of our mistakes, but next time, hoping to be better on it. Now I understand why the other natural YouTubers will like separate their curls, why they all like curl it that way. I mean, it's fine. I just wanted to stretch my hair and turn out getting like beautiful curls, so which is also not good for me. I think we can work with this. So what I would like to do is like to pull this up this way, this up this way. I want to use this. I'm gonna go up like this. up like this. So and then later I'm gonna like try to put this on top of each other. So I'm gonna go ahead from the back like this. Then we're gonna come front and actually like falling exactly the way I want it to be. The other side as well. Gonna come up here and tie it. So we're gonna go like this. Gonna tie it front here. So yeah, the back should look like that. And then I already tied one straight here. Hope you guys can see, follow up. So this one, I want this. It's a bit underneath this, so we have to loosen up a little bit. I'm not a hairstylist, so I'm doing this the first time. I'm gonna do it my way anyway. Better. And do another knot so it stays where it is. It doesn't up again. I actually get my hair tied. I'm just gonna tie it so it doesn't move too much either. Yeah, perfect. So I just basically just like wrap it around my hair there, like very loose, so that like I can still I'm basically almost done. Oh, look, it's so cute. The reason why I did it this way is I wanted here to be kind of like the AG style, here to be puffy, and here as well, but here going together. So I still have to separate this a little, not really like separate, but it's too like, I want it to be more like this, you know. Like the long ones, at least the one that didn't turn out that good, like this one, I'm gonna put it like up here, like this, for sure. And then now we're gonna start knitting our bobby pins to pin it the way, to pin it out of the way. So okay, now this one is very cute. I'm gonna separate it more. This one is also way too long. I'm going to like grab it here and just move it a little bit like up like this, and there we're gonna pin it. Let's move to this side. This side is already looking good. Okay, perfect. I look very cute. Yeah, They look really cute. This hairstyle make me look really cute. Let's move to this side. I'm going to take this. Put it up a little bit like this. Yep. So by now, this is your third bobby pin that I'm using. So you're not really gonna need that much. So this one is kind of like, I don't know, I don't really like how the way it's falling. So I want to move it a little bit half like this. And bobby pin number 4. And voila. This I'm gonna wrap by just like crossing it like this. And this one way you can wear it. It's a bit cute. You know. Okay. It's one way. Let's first put our earring to look even more cuter. Oh God, I look really gorgeous. I look gorgeous. Don't forget to tell that to yourself, ladies. You are beautiful. Each one of you are individual. Each one of you all are pretty. Did I nail this hairstyle or did I? So that was to it. I dress up for nothing. To look cute for myself. I'm going nowhere. This one way how you can tie it. So one way, look at the back like this. I should take a picture of that. Ross it here in the middle together like this, but then we're gonna twist it like yourself, like make sure it's tight enough, and then you just keep on twisting. I've got some long arms. Sometimes they're like always on my way, and we're gonna take these. Go ahead and stick it in here. Take these and even go one more time around. We're gonna stick it away. Let's go. Let's go. This is number 2. Excuse me. Oh my God. And my favorite way how I like to tie it first, like when I'm home, I do this, tie it like one time first. Like I should have took like the long one. I have a longer one of this, and then I kind of like go to the side like this, and take like a longer side from here and come from the back and stick it like in here. But since I decided I wanted this color, I don't know, this is not long enough, so this is like the third way how you can wear it. So that's it. Let's go back to this. I'm already done for this video. Thank you very much for stopping by and watching me. Didn't I rock this hairstyle? It's looking so cute. Ooh. Too bad I can't go out and show it off. Too bad. Damn. I'm gonna see you guys in 7 days. Bye. Pose. I mean, the lighting's also giving me that extra life, but who are you? Let me tell you something. I keep looking at myself. This is not good. I need to look into the camera.